On a serious note, today the illegal migrant truck driver accused of killing 3 people after making an illegal U-turn will face a Florida judge. He has pleaded not guilty to 3 counts of vehicular homicide and was brought to Florida from sanctuary state of California, where when he was given a commercial driver's license despite failing key English tests. Florida Attorney General James Uthmeyer joins us now. Mr. Attorney General, thanks so much for joining the program.
Thanks, Lawrence.
So a lot of Americans are upset about this because although California is a sanctuary state, the policies that they are passing affect us all. Tell us about what you guys are doing in Florida to push back against this.
Sure. Well, first, we're going to prosecute this guy in court to the fullest. He's looking at many decades behind bars before he would ultimately get deported. And here's the thing. Our investigation shows he failed his CDL license exam 10 times in the 2 months before this tragedy took place. We are investigating criminally and civilly not only the license company that wrongfully gave him this license. He cannot speak English, but we're also suing California and Gavin Newsom in the United States Supreme Court. Because we can do everything right here in Florida. We're a law and order state. It's illegal to give any license to illegal aliens. But when California engages in this unlawful behavior, we are harmed. We suffer. So we're going to hold them accountable in court.
You know, my father is a truck driver, and apparently this issue is pervasive in the field. This is what the Secretary of Transportation had to say. The California governor and his state were caught red-handed after weeks of claiming they did nothing wrong. Now we've exposed their lies. 17,000 illegally issued trucking licenses are being revoked. So you're getting some backup from the federal government.
We're happy to have their support. We stand by them. I think what California is doing is wrong, and we're going to hold them accountable.
I want to get your comments on another story because you are now seeking the death penalty for a man that was indicted for sexual battery on children. Explain to me the rationale. A lot of people since the beginning of time have been calling for this, saying that these individuals cannot be rehabilitated, people that mess with children in this sick way. Do you think you're going to face some legal challenges, though, on this?
We will face legal challenges. I know we're running headlong into an old Louisiana versus Kennedy Supreme Court opinion where they said child sex battery offenders are not eligible for the death penalty. Here in Florida, we would like to see them revisit that. We were the first state to again make child sex offenders death penalty eligible. And yesterday, we indicted a man who raped multiple little kids as young as 3 years old. This is a heinous act that shakes the core of our human society. It is wrong. I do not believe this individual can be rehabilitated. We want to send him to meet his maker and face the ultimate form of justice.
As my pastor likes to say, offer him Christ and pull the switch. Sir, thanks so much for joining the program this morning.
I'm Steve Ducey.
I'm Brian Kilmeade.
And I'm Ainsley Earhart. And click here to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page to catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis.